Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. So we are in the month of June and yesterday I received my Glossybox, so let's unbox this together. So this month we didn't receive our usual box, we received a makeup purse instead, and it states Glossybox on there and it has like pastel summer colours giving floral vibe. And these are all the products I have received this month. So the products came separately to the bag. The bag was packed in a clear wrap which I opened up, and let's open the inside up to see what it's like. It has like a padding. So if I open it up, it is pretty big and deep and it's perfect for a travel makeup bag or just to keep it in the car. It does have padding like I mentioned, and it's like a waterproof lining on the inside, so it is washable, which is great because it's easy to get makeup everywhere and anywhere. On the back of the QR code it states summer vibes, which gives us a hint on the theme of the month. As usual, you have the front cover contents and then you have the note from the editor and a full reveal of all the products inside this box, and then it goes on to tell us a bit about makeup trends and beauty finds, and then it gives us some hairstyles and a sneak peek into next month. So on to the editor's note, which states, "Hey Glossies, it's June, which means a brand new special design landing on your doorstep. We have 5 amazing new products for you to dive into this summer season and some ultimate beauty treats to discover with products from the brands such as Made by Mitchell and Gantu. We have every beauty delight to help you give your beauty shop an extra special summer vibe this season. Love, Team Glossy." And then the story behind the box states, "Experience the epitome of beauty and necessity this June with our captivating special design, tailored specifically for your summer rituals. Embrace the ultimate versatility with our chic cosmetic bag ideal for your seasonal escapes. Radiate with a sun-kissed allure and an air of carefree elegance. That's the essence of your summer 2024. And remember, your Glossybox has curated 5 hand-picked essentials to accompany you every step of the way. At Glossybox, we understand that each glossy is one of a kind, and your box should mirror that individuality. That's precisely why we empowered you to choose a fragrance for our specially curated June edit. Which delightful scent did you receive?" We also actually received this little sample in the box, and it's Flower Bomb Tiger Lily by Victor Rolf. So you have the Flower Bomb and the Tiger Lily here. On the Glossybox website it gives us a reveal of the products like so, and then it also goes on to give us a brief description about the box. And under the section what's in this month's box, it states, "Create your perfect beauty routine with our Summer Vibes June edit." So you have the Lottie London Under Eye Brightening Powder, the Gatineau Collagene Expert Ceramide Smoothing Cream, Made by Mitchell Blush in Melon Sorbet, Avant Persian Sunset Perfume, and Anatomicals New York, London and Paris Foam Fashion Fruit Body Cleanser, which I'm pretty sure I pronounced completely wrong. And it also says there should be 5 beauty products worth at least £50. So let's go on to the unboxing. First product we have received is this body cleanser, which is worth £4.05 from Anatomicals. So this is a fruity body cleanser. It's a bit like a shower gel where you just wash yourself in it. And let's give it a little sniff. Oh yeah, it is really fruity. On the back it just says direction for use, dispense it into hands or onto sponge, massage onto wet skin, then rinse thoroughly. And it just gives us a list of all the ingredients up back. Then we have the Lottie London setting powder, which is worth £3.95. This is the setting powder by Lottie. It's in the shade Brightening Pink, and you can kind of see a bit of pink coming through on the pigment. So I'm just going to open this up and we can see the pigment colour. That was the only way I could show the colour pigment, as it wasn't coming pink on the camera, but it is a very, very light pink, and it's used to set your foundation in place on any oily areas or all over your face. So if I'm just going to take a tiny bit and put it on the back of here. So I've just got some of the powder on the back on my finger, and it is very finely milled and it's quite smooth. So I've never tried a pink powder either, so I'll be looking forward to trying this out. Next we have the Gatineau Collagene Expert Smoothing Cream, which is worth £24. Then we have this collagen cream, and on here it states it's formulated with 3 types of collagen, ceramides and fatty acids, hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. This purple cream is clinically proven to smooth and plump the skin. It targets signs of aging and boosts elasticity, whilst also working to protect the skin barrier against environmental stresses. Skin is left conditioned, hydrated and instantly radiant, and you will thank it. So at the back it just says apply morning and evening to cleanse face, and then if we just open it up, also this is 50ml, and squeeze, so It has a scent to it, but I can't figure it out. So I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand. And it works like a moisturiser, so it's absorbed quite nicely into the skin. It does have a more of a thicker gel-like texture than most creams, so it doesn't feel greasy. It smells a bit like Nivea. Then we have the Made by Mitchell blush in Melon Sorbet, worth £14. This blush is in the shade Melon Sorbet. I have used Made by Mitchell blushes before. I've used quite a few shades, one of them being Dairy Peach, and I quite like that shade because it comes quite nicely on my skin. It's a creamy liquid blush which you apply with liquid products, and then you set it with a powder blush or just set it with some powder. Just opening this up, this is the shade. I'm going to apply some here. This is like a coral peachy shade which I've got this brush to hand, and I'm just going to pat it in like so. And a little really goes a long way. You can see I've just literally blended all that out and it's taken most of my hand. But it blends so beautifully and you can just see how it sits onto the skin. This seems like a really nice summer shade because it's not too pinky and it's not too bronzy. It's kind of like in between. So I do look forward to trying this shade on. I also like using these products on the lip. I feel like these blushes work really well if you just want to do like an ombre lip and settle it in the middle of your lips. It works beautifully. And finally we have the scent option. This was chosen for us. There are other options available which I will just share with you. So we have this Ghost, then we have Victor Roth, then we have Sarah Jessica Parker, then these other fragrances. Then we have the Hawaiin Tropic Summer Dream Body Mist, worth £6. We have the Hawaiin Tropic Fragrance Mist which smells like mangoes and coconut, and it says Island Coconut Raspberry on here, so let's give it a spritz. So it does smell very tropically. You can smell the coconut, which is quite strong, and a bit of the mango. So this is just like a body mist to put all over your body and keep you smelling refreshing throughout the day. And there is one more product. I actually have this Nivea soft cream in here as well. I don't know if this was like an additional product, but it wasn't listed as one of the products, but it's just a normal moisturiser which actually comes really handy for the car. So guys, these are all the products I have received this month. I like the addition of the bag instead of the box. I think it's a really nice change and it's really useful to have. I remember receiving one from my Look Fantastic box which I actually use all the time, and I think the product mix is quite nice of various things. Now on the website it did state that you have 5 products worth over £50, which I do have over 5 products, and I have calculated and it comes to a sum of £52. If you guys subscribe to the Glossybox, I'd be interested to see what your perfume option was. I was a little bit disappointed on my body mist, but again, you know, it's not a bad addition. It's handy to have, especially in these summer days. Now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found this useful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And if you like a detailed review on anything, then please let me know in the comment section below. Take care for now, and I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!